Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is my 26th tutorial in Excel. So today we will discuss about some of the average function we can do, means the custom average function we can do in Excel. You know that we have the predefined average function in Excel, that is for the given numbers we can do the average function. Average, here already a predefined average function is there. We can enter the numbers, take, this is the average. So this is the average, but sometimes we need custom average, means average, it has to do the average function with some predefined, I mean the defined requirement, means sometimes we need to delete some of the entries and then it has to do the average function. So that time we have to use the user defined function, we need to write in Excel and we need to call that function to execute the program. So I have a function here, this is the custom average function. Here I am naming the function as custom average and declaring range as RNG. We can name it as anything, and I am giving two variables for range, that is lower and upper variables, declaring lower and upper as integers, and this cell is the object here. So I am declaring the cell object as a range and declaring two more variables, that is count and total as integers. So it has to check the each value in the cell and it has to check for the condition and it should go to next cell. So for that condition we need to use the for loop. Inside the for loop we need to use the if condition. This is the condition and it has to check that for entire list. So the for loop is used here. So the for loop, this is the next cell, this is the for loop syntax, and these three statements are if statement, that is our condition. So here if cell value, the one cell value, if it is less than, means the greater than or equal to some value, that is lower, or and less than or equal to upper, then total equals total plus cell value and go to next cell. This is what it will do in the if condition. And final is the custom average, is the total divided by count. This is what the custom average. So let me go and explain here. This is the list of the value for each cell. Let me consider the lower as 10 and upper as 30. So it will check for the condition which is greater than 10. Greater than 10, let me check here, greater than 10. All these numbers will come, 2 will go. So all other numbers will come, and less than 30. You can see here, that is less than 30, less than or equal to 30. So that is and, so less than or equal to 30. So this will come, this will go, again all these numbers will come, all these numbers will come, this will go. So 95 will go, 2 will go, and 12 will go. So not 12, I think. See, first is it should be greater than or equal to 10. So less than 10 is 2. That 2 will go. See, the 2 will go. And second condition is, this first condition is greater than or equal to 10, and here less than or equal to 30. Since we have AND function here, sorry, here AND function is there, you can observe here. And means it has to satisfy both two conditions. So 2 will go in the first condition itself, and all other numbers will come for the second condition. Here whatever is less than or equal to 30 will remain, everything else will go. 65 will go, and 95 will go. Whatever is greater than 30, those will be go, and remaining numbers, it will take the average of remaining numbers. That is our function. So let me write custom. See, you can observe here custom average. Since we already wrote the function and declared it, we can call this here custom average from this list, comma, lower and upper. So enter. See, this is the value we got. You can cross check by using the normal function, like see, take these numbers, take this, see the average is 18.41667. This is the average. So from this list itself we can take the custom average per our requirement. So that is the lower and upper, whatever is greater than or equal to 10 and less than or equal to 30, those numbers it will calculate, the remaining numbers it will delete. So this is what the custom average function. Hope this information helps. Thanks for watching the video.